So earlier on we talked about what's it called. I showed you my mail function. So how's that done? That's done with Google Mail and NodeMailer, which is a library for JavaScript. So I'll just show you here, and again we'll go through it. So obviously I mentioned this now, so I should get a email saying that somebody viewed my page. Yeah, so somebody visited my page. So how did that happen? Well, I'll show you how it happened. The email gets passed from the front end to the back end with the dog's name and the email, the owner's email of that dog. So that gets sent to that gets routed to the email controller. We'll show you now how this works. So NodeMailer. So we require NodeMailer. We get the NodeMailer library. With NodeMailer we create the transport. We're using Gmail, and we use for authentication we use OAuth, which is an algorithm that we were using for this client secret and the refresh token. These have to be got on through the Google Mail API. You set that up. So these are, these aren't what it actually is. I've hashed these out for security purposes. So when somebody goes to send a mail, I've created the transport here on the startup of the application. So the mail transporter is created. Then when somebody sends the mail, we use the mail transporter, and we set the options of the mail to this. It's from this person here, no reply mywoof@gmail.com, to what we got from the front end. Who owns this dog? What's the email of this dog's owner? So we send it to that email. Somebody visited your dog's page, and the name of the dog. So that was again sent from the front end. So then we use the transporter here, created up here, to send the mail and we set the content to mail options, and if that's successful, our node logs email successfully sent to and the people that we sent it to. So that's essentially how it's working. How I was doing this, if the user's not logged in, so that's done in the front end here. So I'll show you that. So dog profile component, send mail if this user service is logged in equals false, which will be probably all the time when somebody scans your dog's QR code. So somebody scans your dog's QR code, they're not going to be logged in, they're going to be going straight to your dog's page. They've bypassed the sign up page, and then we call the send email. So we're sending the owner's email and the name of the dog and stuff like that. So that's how that all works essentially. Thank you.